I hear you say, where's the fun in that? I agree, you delightful freak. Sadly, this is not that kind of experiment. Look closely. This is a catacombs navigation unit. All you little lab rats and your little lab rat friends get to ride one. You sit, Igor steers, nothing goes wrong. Yes? Uh-oh. Don't forget that. This is just the emergency return function. All according to plan. Yes, Doctor. The doctor will see you now. This is fun, yes?
Chosen few will witness my greatest discovery yet. Together, we will finish what my great-grandfather started. They called Henry a monster. They were afraid of what he had done. But you will see. There is nothing to fear. Show them. Lower the lights, quickly. Now. These people are friends. See? There's nothing to be afraid of. He is amazing. Better than the original. He is the key to our most exciting experiment. For years, I have studied and controlled the monsters that prowl the darkness. And only one remains. I will control my ultimate challenge. Count Dracula. Calm yourself! That wasn't us.
Silence, creature. I will destroy you and everything.
These two just don't get along. The Dracula experiment is the last piece of the puzzle. And with your help, the world will never see the name Frankenstein the same again. Open the doors! Our greatest victory is just through there. Quickly!
Tony?
I don't.
Tony knows you.
Uh-oh.
This is yours.
I don't know. I think I have one.
Okay, clearly noggin not working right. You think you have
I've been
one.
in the sun.
What? Oh, you have been in the sun.
I have been in the sun.
Yes, Igor too. She is a little too white to be in the sun. I understand. Anyways, so can I keep this?
Absolutely.
Really?
It's not mine.
No, it is yours. We have established that it is yours. You can tell us. I can see why you and Tony are now exes. So I'm just gonna keep this, all right?
Yeah, I might come back later.
Okay, but then it will cost you. Like an arm and a leg. Can you get your digits? What are you all standing around for? Get out of my face!